from Bangladesh.
Nice to meet you. And what's your name?
Nice to meet you too. My name is Saber Hossain Chowdhury. You called me Saber.
Okay. Can you say that one more time? I want to be able to say your name.
Uh, Saber.
Saber.
Yeah,
Nice to
yeah.
meet you, Saber. We've
Nice
got
to meet
10 minutes today. What would you like to do?
Um, so, uh, how long have you been teaching Cambly?
I have been teaching on Cambly since November of 2019. So, 16 months?
16 months. That's good. I think you have a lot of experience.
Yeah, I
Uh,
love teaching on Cambly.
uh, that's good. So, how did you come to Cambly as a teacher? I wanna hear this story from you.
How I started working on Cambly?
Yeah, yeah,
Good question. I was studying for my TEFL certificate. Yes, for my TEFL certificate back in the fall of 2019, and I was preparing to go teach English abroad after I finished. And I attended a webinar about teaching English online, and they talked about some other companies that people use to teach English online. And they
yeah.
talked about Cambly, and they said Cambly was a great option for people who like to teach adults, which is me. I don't like teaching children. I like teaching adults. So I applied on the website, and I was hired, and I've been doing it ever since.
Yeah, that's great. So, as a Cambly teacher, how is your feeling?
How do I feel?
Yeah, yeah.
I like
As
being a teacher on Cambly.
yeah, yeah. As a Cambly teacher, how is your feeling?
How do I feel?
Yeah, yeah,
I feel good.
yeah. That's good. Uh, so why did you leave other profession and choose teaching profession?
I actually have another job. Cambly is my second job.
Yeah, yeah. So, what is your first job?
My first job, I work at a nonprofit organization where I help immigrants make resumes, cover letters, practice interviewing skills, and help them look for jobs.
That's great. Uh, sister, give me some suggestion. How can I improve uh, my speaking English? I think
Yeah.
you have a good experience. Please share with me, and please.
To practice, to improve your speaking, there are a couple of things you can do. The first is make sure you keep practicing on Cambly. Cambly lets you practice speaking with native speakers. This is a really good step.
Yeah,
When you study, make sure you study the 3 different parts of English. That you're studying grammar, that you're
yeah,
studying vocabulary, and you're studying pronunciation.
yeah.
All 3 will help improve your overall speaking ability.
Firstly, grammar.
Grammar. Mm-hmm.
So, which grammar part is very important for good at English?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah,
so spoken English is usually more difficult because spoken English is usually more casual than written English. So
yeah,
our grammar rules sometimes change a little bit.
yeah,
That's why it's important to do all 3, not just grammar, but also
yeah.
vocab and also
Vocabulary.
pronunciation.
But my question, which grammar item is very important for speaking English?
Grammar
Please
is
tell me.
important. There's different types of grammar that are more important and less important.
Yeah.
Using the right verb tense is very important. If I say I went
Tense.
to the store or I will go to the store, those are 2 very different meanings. That's very important. But there
Yeah.
are small things. I went to the store, I went to a store. It's important, but it's less important for spoken English to be able to communicate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. So I think tense. If I very good at English, first of all, I have to very good at uh, tense.
Verb tenses.
Yeah, tense.
Yeah. Verb tenses are the most difficult, but they are very important in the English language.
Yeah. So first of all, um, I my focus at grammar, then vocabulary. Yeah,
So all
then
the same, not grammar, then vocabulary. Do both grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. They're all very important. The better you get
yeah,
at one, the better you get at the others.
yeah. So so how can improve my pronunciation? Pronunciation. I think it's a
Pronunciation.
very important.
Mm-hmm. Pronunciation will definitely, Cambly helps a lot. You can talk to your tutors that you want to practice pronunciation. If you find articles or stories, read them out loud, record yourself reading them out loud, then listen to your recording. Listen to how it sounds. Then put it in a computer and have the computer read the story. Listen to how your recording is different from the computer's recording. You can
Yeah.
do it on Cambly too. If you read and a tutor reads, you can listen to the differences in the sounds.
Thank you so much. I think it's really good for me. So, so sister, how do you like to spend your leisure time?
My leisure time. I like to
Yeah,
work out. I like to stay fit.
you like to?
I like to work out. I like to stay fit.
Yeah, work out. That's a good. So, so sister, have you ever visited in Bangladesh?
I have not. I would love to one day, though.
Yeah.
What's the best part about Bangladesh, do you think?
Um, this city is Dhaka city.
Okay, why? Why is that the best?
I think Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh,
Okay, you think, or it
and
is?
yeah, it's the capital of Bangladesh. In this year, a lot of people live in this year. About 20 million people live in this year,
Okay.
and you can, if you come in Bangladesh, you can travel all our Bangladesh.
What are the best sights to see in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh is longest cities Cox's Bazar.
Okay.
It's a Cox's Bazar. If you go and you can see, I think it's the best place in Bangladesh.
Very cool. I hope I will get to visit one day. Maybe after the
Yeah.
pandemic.
So I would like to invite our Bangladesh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. I appreciate that.
It's my pleasure. So, sister, my time is finishing.
I see that.
So, I'm really grateful and thankful to you. And I think your suggestion will be very help, especially me.
Thank
So,
you.
I am most welcome.
Good luck. I
Good
hope
luck.
we'll talk again soon.